How about some ice cream? How about some vanilla ice cream? Look at the example.
I'd like some cake.
I'd like some carrot cake.
Now you do it.
How about some ice cream?
How about some vanilla ice cream?
I'd like some cake.
I'd like some carrot cake.
This soup is delicious.
This tomato soup is delicious.
Would you like some juice?
Would you like some orange juice?
Where is my sandwich?
Where is my tuna fish sandwich?
A milkshake, please.
A strawberry milkshake, please.
I love donuts.
I love cherry donuts.
How much are these muffins?
How much are these blueberry muffins?
I prefer burgers.
I prefer chicken burgers.
Pie is my favorite.
Apple pie is my favorite.
Practice your pronunciation. Listen and repeat.
How about some vanilla ice cream? I'd like some carrot cake. This tomato soup is delicious. Would you like some orange juice? Where is my tuna fish sandwich? A strawberry milkshake, please. I love cherry donuts. How much are these blueberry muffins? I prefer chicken burgers. Apple pie is my favorite.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching.